Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the headphones discoverable and turning Bluetooth on in Windows. Put the headset into pairing mode. The LED or audio cue shows it's ready. Then open Settings, go to Devices, and enable Bluetooth so Windows can scan. If you rely on a USB adapter, plug it in and confirm drivers appear in Device Manager. This prevents connection failures. Once done, keep the headset close to the PC and move to the next step to pair the devices. You'll now pair the headset with Windows. Click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, choose Bluetooth, and watch the list populate. Select your headset when it appears. If Windows asks for a PIN, enter the code shown or try common defaults such as 0000 or 1234. After pairing, you should see a connected status that specifies media and possibly call profiles. Make sure to set the headset as the default playback device in sound settings if audio doesn't route automatically. Finish by selecting the headset in sound settings and adjusting volume and enhancements for best audio. If you don't hear anything, make sure no wired speakers override output. Disconnect them, then reconnect the headset. If problems persist, run the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter and check Device Manager for driver updates. As a final step, remove the device from Bluetooth settings and pair again, or reboot the PC. This usually resolves cache or profile conflicts, so your headphones work reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.